In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with AI Studio Pro. In a few minutes, you can have your first flyer up and running and ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to show you is reference box one. We have 4 boxes. We got the reference flyer, amateur flyer, hero, and supporting cast. So for reference flyer, you can either choose a flyer that you like. So for example, maybe we like this flyer. I'm just picking random. We like this flyer, or you can choose from your library. Click the library, and you can hit styles, and you'll have the option to pick from hundreds of styles. We have hundreds and hundreds of styles, and you can just pick that, and then you can go to your amateur flyer. Now this is optional. You can select this and pick a flyer that you already have. So if you already have a flyer and it has information on it, it reads the text, it drops all of the text down to this box right here, the event details. And as you can see, it just dropped all the information in event details, all of the information that was on that flyer, so you don't have to text in nothing, but it's an option. Then we have our hero section. You select that. You can select the person that you want in the flyer, which is her, and we got up to 3. You can insert 3 images in that. So it can be her, it could be a logo, it could be a plate of food, or it could be her, a background, or some type of icon. I don't know, but you have 3 options for the main subject. And then you have your supporting cast. We can select that, and you can add your logos, third-party people, other people that may be in the show. You have up to 10 to add there. Then we have another option for looks. This is called the creative director section. You can just scroll through here. You can see what has recently been produced, because we always producing something every single day. And then you have your quick starts. These are the ones that people just choose right off the top. You can select that, and that's night fashion, or you can pick one of the fresh drops. And you also have another option here. You can hit browse all styles, and what this does is it gives you all of the styles right here. You can scroll through, and there's always something new being added every day. And then when you're done with selecting your style, you go down here. You can make any tweaks to your generation setup, the name, the location. You can add things or remove things that's going to be on the flyer. So we'll remove that. And then the design direction is set up for you to make surgical overrides. So for example, if you want everything in 3D, you just put 3D. If you wanted to add a boat, I don't know, add a boat. I don't know why a boat, but you can add a boat. And if you select reference, we go to our operation strategy, generation strategy. If you use a reference, which the reference is here, then you're going to want to select reference. Then you also have creative director. What creative director does is, if you decided, it's going to ignore the reference, and it's going to ignore the hero images. So what that's good for is, if you just wanted to select a fresh drop just to see the look, you can just go straight here for creative director. You can select that and hit render just to see what look you're going to get on that particular flyer. And last but not least, if you hit hybrid, it's going to add the director, the quick start. So if you wanted a YouTube business look, you select that. It's going to add that as well as the reference flyer, and you can tell it how much how much you want it to influence. You have 5 different options, and you can go from light, loose, to light, to medium. I usually like light and medium, but you can go strong all the way, and that's going to affect the overall look of the flyer as far as reference. Then you also have the option to add color to it. So sometimes you may want a particular color. And that's always going to. And I'm also going to set it up where you can actually save it. Actually, you can save and create and save your own colors for your own brand, for people that you do work for. And so that is that. Let's see, we just picked that. And of course, we have the aspect ratios, the squares, the flyer size, the IG size, And you know, we have the quality tier, 1K or 2K. Majority of the time when you're posting on social media, all you need is 1K. You don't have to burn credits doing 2 unless you're going to be printing. So 1K is fine, and you hit generate. And it's just that fast. It'd even be faster if I wasn't doing the tutorial. But it shows you that you can generate a flyer just within 5 to 6 minutes. You could be in your car, you could be waiting at a bus stop, you could be, I don't know, at a parking uh, bench or at a gym. And there you have it. And so as you can see, and look, it even added the boat. I don't know why I added the boat. But what it did was it took Contessa and it added the food. And this was just random. And this is just what it came up with randomly, as you see it applied all of the colors and things like that. And just for the sake of this tutorial here, let's do one thing. Let's just swap this into velocity. Just something random. Velocity, and keep everything as it is, and let's just rerun it. And as you can see, this is the end result. Now there's a lot of tips and tricks, and this app goes way deeper, much more dimension than what I'm showing you right now. This is just a quick start showing you how to get up and running immediately. But make sure you go to my tutorial academy that's actually within this app, or sign up to the YouTube channel where you're going to get daily tutorials every day teaching you something brand new about this particular app. So AI Studio Pro is a very powerful app, and just follow along and watch more tutorials, and I will reveal a whole lot of things that I learned about this app and mastered about this app. It's a very good quality company, and it's definitely worth looking into. Go over and get your free credits and create your first create your first flyers today.